Basics of Mechanical Engineering 3 Multiple Choice Questions. Week 8 Answers in NPTEL. Question number 1. Which property primarily measures resistance to flow? Option A density, option B viscosity, option C pressure, option D temperature. The correct answer is option B viscosity. Let us see the explanation. Viscosity describes a fluid's resistance to movement relative to itself or other surfaces, meaning a higher viscosity fluid will flow more slowly than a low viscosity fluid. So the correct answer is option B viscosity. Question number 2. Dash is the phenomenon of vapor bubbles forming and collapsing in a fluid. Option A diffusion, option B turbulence, option C cavitation, option D condensation. The correct answer is option C cavitation. Let us see the explanation. Cavitation occurs when the local pressure in a fluid drops below its vapor pressure, causing tiny vapor bubbles to form within the liquid. These bubbles then collapse when they move to a region of higher pressure, generating significant force and potentially damaging nearby surfaces. So the correct answer is option C cavitation. Question number 3. This is the property that basically describes the force at the interface of a liquid and another substance. Option A pressure, option B surface tension, option C viscosity, option D density. The correct answer is option B surface tension. Let us see the explanation. Surface tension refers to the force that exists at the surface of a liquid, causing it to behave like a stretched membrane, minimizing its surface area due to the strong attraction between its molecules. The correct answer is option B surface tension. Question number 4. The term for liquid rise or fall in a narrow tube due to surface forces is called option A density, option B viscosity, option C pressure, option D capillarity. The correct answer is option D capillarity. Let us see the explanation. Capillarity in action. Here two terms are there. Capillary rise. Capillary rise means water rises in a narrow glass tube because its adhesive force, that means attraction to the glass, is stronger than its cohesive force, that means attraction to other water molecules. The another term is capillary fall. Mercury, for example, falls in a narrow tube because its cohesive forces are stronger than its adhesive forces with the tube. So the correct answer is option D capillarity. Question number 5. Which property refers to the energy required to rise the temperature of a unit mass of a fluid at constant volume? Option A Cp, option B pressure, option C Cv, option D density. The correct answer is option C Cv. Let us see the explanation. The property that refers to the energy required to rise the temperature of a unit mass of a fluid at constant volume is Cv. Cv means specific heat capacity at constant volume. This property quantifies how much heat is needed to increase the temperature of a substance by a specific amount while keeping its value unchanged. So the correct answer is option C, CV. Question number 6. Streak lines and streamlines are always different for steady flow. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. Let us see the explanation. Here, uh, for a steady flow, for a steady fluid flow, streamlines and streak lines as well as path lines are identical and coincide. This is because in steady flow, the velocity at any given point in space remains constant over time. Consequently, a particle reaching a point follows a path that is identical to the instantaneous direction at that point, and this path is also the same for all other particles passing through that same point over time. So the correct answer is option B false. Question number 7. Which flow visualization term describe the actual path followed by a fluid particle? Option A timeline, option B path line, option C streak line, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B path line. Let us see the explanation. You can also see this image. A path line traces the trajectory of a single fluid particle as it moves through a flow over a period of time, essentially showing the history of that particle's movement. So the correct answer is option B path line. Question number 8. Most appropriate term for the instantaneous line formed by particles at a given instant in a flow is option A streak line, option B timeline, option C path line, option D streamline. The correct answer is option B timeline. Let us see the explanation. Uh, Before choose the answer, let us see the meaning of these four options. First one, streak line. Streak line means these show the locus of all particles that have passed through a specific point in the flow over time. Second one is timeline. This term is not typically used in fluid dynamics to describe the instantaneous line formed by particles. Third one, path line. This is the actual trajectory traced by a single fluid particle as it moves through the flow field. The last one is a streamline. Streamline represents the direction of the fluid velocity at any given point, showing the path a fluid particle would follow if it were to move along that path at that moment. So among these four definitions, uh, timeline is the correct answer for the given question. So option B is correct, timeline. Question number 9. Which fluid shows a constant dynamic viscosity at a given temperature and linear relationship between shear stress and shear and strain rate? Option A honey, option B Bingham plastic, option C dilatant fluid, option D water. The correct answer is option D water. Let us see the explanation. A Newtonian fluid shows a constant dynamic viscosity at a given temperature and a linear relationship between shear stress and strain rate. This means its resistance to flow does not change with the applied shear rate. Examples of Newtonian fluids include water, air, and thin motor oils. So the correct answer is option D water. Question number 10. A fluid is considered compressible when dash changes significantly. Option A, density. Option B, surface tension. Option C, color. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, density. Let us see the explanation. Compressibility refers to a fluid's ability to change in volume under pressure, which directly affects its density. So the correct answer is option A. In the next video lecture, we will going to discuss about week 9 answers of basics of mechanical engineering 3 in NPTEL course. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.